Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to delete an activity from the Strava mobile app. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Strava application on your phone. Once it loads up, you'll see the main interface with several tabs at the bottom of the screen. This is your primary navigation area where you can access different sections of the app. Now, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on the tab labeled You. This takes you to your personal profile section where you can view all your account information, settings, and activity history. This is essentially your home base within the app where everything related to your workouts and profile is stored. Once you're in your profile section, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see a tab that says Activities. Go ahead and tap on it. This opens up a complete list of all the workouts and activities you've recorded using Strava. Whether it's running, cycling, or any other activity, they'll all be displayed here in chronological order. Next, scroll through your activity list and find the specific activity you want to delete. It could be a recent workout or something from a while back. Once you've located it, tap on that activity to open it. This will bring up the full details of that workout, including your route, stats, and any photos or notes you may have added. Now, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a three dots icon sitting there. This is the menu button that gives you access to additional options for this activity. Tap on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. From the menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Delete Activity. Tap on it. This is the action that will remove the activity from your profile and your training log permanently, so make sure you're selecting the right one before proceeding. After you tap Delete Activity, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. Strava does this to prevent accidental deletions and to make sure you really want to remove this activity. The message will ask you to confirm your decision. Simply tap Delete to proceed. Give it a moment to process and the activity will be removed from your account. And that's it. The activity is now deleted from your Strava profile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.